Circles, Part 11.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Show that the lines are conjugate with respect to the circle. So, given circle x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y plus 12 is equals to 0. So, here 2g is equals to 4. Therefore, g is equals to 2. 2f is equal to 6. F is equal to 3. And c is equals to 12. And what is the radius of the circle? That is g square 4 plus f square 9 minus 12. So clearly radius is 1. And given lines 2x plus 3y plus 11 is equals to 0. Come on. 2x minus 2y minus 1 is equals to 0. So comparing with L1x plus M1y plus N1 and L2x plus M2y plus N2. So clearly L1 is equals to 2, M1 is equal to 3, N1 is equals to 11. And here L2 is equals to 2, M2 is equals to minus 2, N2 is equals to minus 1. So now find R square L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equals to L1G plus M1F minus N1 and L2G plus M2F minus N2. R square, that is 1, L1 L2 for M1 M2 minus 6 is equals to L1G 2 into 2 for M1F 3 into 3 9 minus N1, it is minus 11, and L2G 2 into 2 4 plus M2F minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus N2, that is plus 1. So clear this is minus 2 and here 13 minus 11, that is 2, here minus 1. So clearly both are equal. So therefore given lines are conjugate. So see the second solution. So find the value of k if the lines are conjugate with respect to the circle. So here given circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 4 is equals to 0. So here 2g is equals to minus 2, g is equal to minus 1, and clearly f is equals to minus 2, c is equal to minus 4. And what is the radius of the circle? It is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 3. And given lines kx plus 3y minus 1 is equals to 0, 2x plus y plus 5 is equals to 0. Now comparing with L1x plus M1y plus N1 and L2x plus M2y plus N2. So what is the L1? L1 is k and M1 is 3 and N1 is minus 1 and L2 is 2, M2 is 1, N2 is 5. So given that the lines are conjugate. So see here, given lines are conjugate means R square into L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equals to L1G plus M1F minus N1 into L2G plus M2F minus N2. See a radius square, that is 9, L1 L2 that is 2k, M1 M2 that is 3 is equals to L1G, that is k into minus 1 minus k plus M1F, so 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus N1, you will get plus 1. into L to G, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, M to F, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, minus N2, so minus 5. So this is 9 into 2k plus 3 is equals to, here minus k, here minus 6 plus 1, you will get minus 5, that is minus of k plus 5, and here minus 9. So clearly 9 get cancelled. So minus into minus plus. So 2k plus 3 is equal to k plus 5. So 2k minus k, k is equal to 2. So therefore the value of k is 2. So see the next one. Find the condition that the tangents drawn from origin to the circle be perpendicular to each other. So here given circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So this is the given circle. Here the tangent drawn from the origin to the circle. Suppose this is the origin. So we have to draw the tangent line from the origin to the circle. So this is the tangent line and this is another tangent line. Here the tangent lines are perpendicular to each other. Here these two tangents are perpendicular. Then you need to find the condition. Okay. So clearly this is the radius of the circle and this is the length of the tangent root S11 and this is also radius of the circle. Okay. Now here this is 90, this is clearly 45 and this is 45. Okay. Now see here center of the circle minus g comma minus f and radius of the circle square root of g square plus f square minus c. So you know that if theta is the angle between the tangents, then tan theta by 2 is equals to r by root s1. But here theta is what? 90 degrees. So 90 by 2, that is 45. So tan 45 is equals to radius of the circle square root of g square plus f square minus c by root s11. So what is s11? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. But what is x1 y1? That is the origin. Substitute here, what you get? s11 is equal to c. So therefore root s11 is root c. So what is the tan 45 value? 1. So 1 is equal to square root of g square plus f square minus c by root c. So from this c is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So therefore this is g square plus f square is equal to 2c. So this is the required condition when the tangents are perpendicular to each other. So see the next one. Find the polar of 1, 2 with respect to the circle. So see the first solution. Given circle x square plus y square is equal to 7 and point 1, 2. So you know that the polar of P, so this is the point P, with respect to circle 1 is S1 is equal to 0. So what is S1? X1 plus Y1 minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the point x1 comma y1, that is x plus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the polar. And see the second solution. Find the pole of the line with respect to the circle. So see here, you know that the pole of Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0 with respect to the circle. X square plus y square is equal to a square is what? Pole is equals to minus la square by n comma minus ma square by n. But here a is what? Radius of the circle, that is r, and L is a, m is b, n is c. So here given ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So therefore L is equals to a, m is equals to b, n is equal to c, and r is equal to what? A. So therefore pole is what? Minus la square, that is minus a r square, okay, by n. N is what? C. Similarly minus ma square, that is minus b r square by c. So this is the pole of the line with respect to the circle. So see the third solution. Find the pole of the line with respect to the circle. So see here given line 3x plus 4y minus 45 is equals to 0. So comparing with Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0. So L is equal to 3, m is equals to 4, n is equal to minus 45. And given circle x square plus y square minus 6 minus 8y plus 5 is equals to 0. So what is the center of the circle? Minus g comma minus f is equals to 3 comma 4. And what is the radius of the circle? 9 plus 16 minus 5. So this is root 20. So therefore you know that the pole of Lx plus my plus n is equals to 0 with respect to s is equals to 0 is what? So pole is equals to minus g plus lr square by lg plus mf minus n comma minus f plus mr square by lg plus mf minus n minus g, that is 3 plus lr square. L is what? 3 into r square, 20. So 3 into 20 divided by lg. So 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, plus mf 4 into minus 4, minus 16, minus n, that is plus 45, and minus f. So what is minus f value? 4 mr square. M is what? 4 into r square is 20. So divide by minus 9 minus 16 plus 45. Now this is 3 plus 60 by 45 minus 25, that is 20, comma 4 plus 80 by 20. So here 3 plus 3 is 6. So 4 plus 4, 8. So this is the pole of the line with respect to the circle. So see the next one. Question number 4. Find the chord of contact of 2, 5 with respect to the circle. See here, this is the given circle This is the point 2, 5. So draw the tangent line from the point P and intersect the circle at two distinct points. So it is A and B. So then the line passing through the AB is called chord of contact. So you need to find this chord of contact equation. So see here, given circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. And point P 2, 5. This is x1, y1. So therefore, the equation of chord of contact is S1 is equals to 0. So S1 means x1 plus y1 minus 5 by 2 times of x plus x1 plus 2 times of y plus y1 minus 2 is equals to 0. So substitute the x1 y1 point in this. What you get? 2x plus 5y minus 5 by 2 into x plus x1, that is x plus 2 plus 2 times of y plus 5 minus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So see here, this is 2x minus 5 by 2x. So next y terms, 5y plus 2y, that is 7y. So next terms, minus 5 by 2 into 2, you will get minus 5. Next, minus 2, minus 7. Minus 7 plus 10, that is plus 3. So 2 into 2, 4x minus 5x plus 14y plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is 4x minus 5x is minus 6 plus 14y plus 6 is equals to 0. Again this is x minus 14y minus 6 equals to 0. So this is the required equation of chord of contact. So see the next question. Find the value of k if the points are conjugate with respect to the circle. So see here, given circle x square plus y square is equal to 35. This is equation 1. And given points 1, 3, 2, k. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Suppose this is P and this is Q. So given P and Q are conjugate with respect to circle 1. So therefore S12 is equals to 0. So that is what? X1, x2 plus y1, y2 minus 35 is equals to 0. X1, x2, that is 2. Y1, y2, that is plus 3k minus 35 is equals to 0. Now this is 3k is equal to 33 and k is equals to 11. So this is the value of k. So see the next one. Find the equation of the polar of the point with respect to the circle. So this is the given point and this is the given circle. So this is x1, y1. So therefore the equation of polar of P. So this is the given point P with respect to circle 1 is S1 is equals to 0. So what is S1? That is x1 plus y1 minus 5 times of x plus x1 minus 5 times of y plus y1 plus 25 is equals to 0. Now substitute x1, y1 in this. What you get? X into 1, x minus 2y minus 5 times of x plus 1 minus 5 times of y minus 2 plus 25 is equals to 0. See here, x minus 5x. So what you get? Minus 4x. So minus 2y minus 5y. That is minus 7y. Next minus 5 plus 10. That is 5. 5 plus 25. 30 is equals to 0. So therefore, this is 4x plus 7y minus 30 is equals to 0. So clearly this is the polar of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the given circle. So for next session we will discuss more concept and problems.